Hey guys, it's me, Joey of You Find Social. Welcome to our social media expert community. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to send a message to your subscribers. So if you have, let's say for example, you have 1,000 subscribers, how can you send messages to your subscribers? So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to create message, how to schedule your message, and how to send this message to your subscriber on ManyChat. So if you're ready, let's begin. I'm going to use my When in Halifax account. So I have 1,100 plus of ManyChat subscribers. So my goal today is I'm going to show you on how to send messages to these 1,000 plus subscribers. So how to do this, go to the broadcasting, and then click broadcast. So once you click this one, you go to a new broadcast and you can click messenger. So there are several options here. So if you have a paid subscription, you can send messages or text messages or email. But for the free one or free account, you can use messenger. So here we will create a message. So here, let's say, hi, we will have our webinar in few minutes. And then I strongly suggest, so that's your message. And then I encourage you to use the add button. So add button is, I usually call it as call to action. So make sure when you are creating a message, make sure that you have a call to action. So let's say here, I'll put book now. And I'm going to put a website link from here. Let's say your booking url.com. So that's your link, for example. So if you send this, your audience will receive the message and they will click this one. So hi, we will have our webinar in a few minutes, book now. So maybe I'll book now, and then I'm going to put an arrow. Make sure I can make I'm going to put emoji so that it will be more personalized. So I'm going to put an arrow. Here you go, book now. So that's the message, and that's it. So this is the message. So now I'm ready to send message. So I want you to remember that you need to put content type. So the content type is what kind of messages that you are sending, because if you use you use the wrong tag, or there's a misuse of tag, may result your page being suspended by Facebook. So we are not encouraging you to send several emails, because Facebook can suspend your page. So for this demo, I'm going to check others, and then I'm going to go next, and then it will be asked for non-promotional mixed content, message tag applied, or promotional content only, message tag ignore. So I usually click this one, and then you can also set schedule, and you can also set targeting. So what is the targeting? For example, you set tags. Let's say, for example, only people that engage to your page, or only people that are click on a specific topic or interested to this specific topic. So you can set a targeting. You can also set by location or language. But first, this demo, I'll just click targeting is everyone on my list, and I can click send now, or I can click schedule later. Schedule later is very easy. You want to schedule your posting maybe today or later tonight or tomorrow or next month. So you can schedule by date, and you can schedule the hours here. So, and of course, same all the time, send all at the same time. It means that they will receive the time that you send. So for example, it's 10:30, 10 in the morning here in Halifax. If your audience is in the Philippines, it will be 9 p.m. So they will receive your message at 9 p.m. So send all the same time. Regular push, it means that the notification will be sound display of phone notification. Use it for important messages. So this will be like there's no notifications. So now we're ready. So we're able to set content, targeting, schedule broadcast. We're able to discuss the time zone settings, and now we're ready to schedule. So to schedule, now that we are done scheduling your posting, we can go to the broadcast schedule. So the broadcast schedule will be here on this section, on the upper section. On the middle part will be the draft, and the history is all the messages that you sent. So from here, let's say for example, this is our scheduled post. So this is the message, and then it is also scheduled for October 17, 3 in the morning or 1 in the morning. So let's say for example, you want to edit it. You can simply click this one, unschedule, and edit this one. So you can edit this one, and you can do the process, same thing, go next, and change your date if you want to change the date. 17, and then schedule. Then go to the broadcast, and here you go. Let's say for example, you want to delete this. Simply, number one, you can cancel this one, and if you cancel that one, it will directly go to your draft. So it will go directly to our draft. So here we go. This is the October 15, and this is our message, and that's it. So we're able to schedule, we're able to edit, we're able to cancel the schedule. Now what if we decide to use our canceled event or canceled message? So this is the cancel message. I'm going to use it again and schedule it for the next time, for the next week. So click this one. Same process. This is the message. This is the message that I canceled, and go next and go to the schedule again. Okay, and 17 and schedule, and go to the broadcast, and here we go. We have it's already scheduled again. So yeah, and that's the end of the video. So from here we are able to create a schedule for we're able to create a broadcast message to all your messenger, to all your ManyChat subscribers. We're able to create a message. We're able to create a call to action. We're able to create scheduled postings, and of course cancel the scheduled post and reschedule our canceled message. So that's it. This is how to send message to your subscriber on Many. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel, Social Media Expert. And before we end this video, I would like to invite you to join our webinar every Thursday on our platform, Social Media Expert. Join us every Thursday because we are helping everyone that are interested to grow their business or to start their own business. Or if you're planning to start your social media agency, this webinar is perfect for you. So if you are a business owner as well, you want to grow your social media, join us. It's free webinar with me. Just click the link on the description below. It's every Thursday, 11 p.m. Halifax time. Signing up, guys. Bye. See you in our next video.